And now we're going to be moving on to Lewis structures, which is arguably one of the hardest topics to understand in chemistry. First of all, before we start for Lewis structures, you need to understand the 2-8-8 rule. So a Lewis structure is just like you drawing the molecules, and Lewis structures are kind of used to understand how molecules form bonds with each other, like how many electrons are involved or how many valence electrons are involved. Oh, and also you need to understand the concept of valence electrons. So first, valence electrons are just the electrons in the outermost shell of a molecule. So it doesn't count the electrons that are on the inner shells. And the 2-8-8 rule is that within, in a Lewis structure, a molecule must have either 2 or 8 valence electrons in the Lewis structure. So most likely elements except for hydrogen will probably have 8 valence electrons when they're forming bonds with other molecules, because hydrogen can only host 1 electron, so it makes sense for hydrogen. Oh, and yeah, so that is the octet rule. When you're forming bonds with other molecules, overall, each of them are supposed to have 8 valence electrons that they have or share.